In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a conversation in Grok AI. Pinning a conversation is a simple way to keep your most important chats at the very top of your list so you can find them instantly, even when new messages come in. Let's walk through it clearly and slowly so you can follow along without missing a beat. First, open your Grok AI account. You can do this on the web or in the mobile app, whatever you normally use. Make sure you're fully signed in and on the main screen so you can access your chats. Next, head to the place where all your conversations live. Look for the area that shows your chat list. Depending on your device, this may be a sidebar, a panel labeled Conversations, or an icon that opens your recent chats. Tap or click that to bring up the list of all your ongoing conversations. If you're already inside a single chat, just navigate back to the main conversation list so you can see all of them together. Now, find the specific conversation you want to pin. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the title or the most recent message preview so you don't pin the wrong thread. When you've located it, press and hold on that conversation. Keep holding until you see a small menu or actions bar appear. That long press is what tells the app you want options for that conversation. If you're on a device where pressing and holding isn't available, clicking the conversation tile to select it and then opening the More Options menu in the interface should reveal the same controls. When the options appear, choose Pin. The wording may be pin conversation, or something very similar, but it will clearly indicate that the chat will be pinned. Tap or click it once. You should see a quick visual confirmation. The conversation will jump to the top of your list and may display a small pin icon to show it's locked in place. That's it. Your conversation is now pinned and will stay at the top for quick access. If you don't see the pin option, double-check that you're pressing and holding on the conversation from the list view, not from within the conversation itself. Also, ensure your app or browser is up to date, because interface labels and menus can change with newer versions. With this done, you can return to your work knowing your key conversation is always within immediate reach. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Grok AI experience.